How to add a pop-up when opening website at Wix, or we can call it a lightbox right here. To do it, you want to go to your Wix head editor, and then after that, you want to go to your top left of your screen to add the lightbox, and then click on add elements right here. And then after that, you want to click on interactive, and then on the lightboxes, you can just choose any lightbox that you feel you need. Either it's welcome, subscribe, promotion, or contact, or you can just choose any of it. For example, I want to make it on subscribe right here, and you can just click on the specific lightbox and then wait for a bit. After you edit, you can just edit the design as you wish, either the picture or the text that you want to change or edit. And then after that, you want to click on the lightbox and then choose on the gear icon right here beside the set triggers. Right here, you can just rename the name of the lightbox or the pop-up. And then right here at the lightbox page settings, you can just choose if your lightbox will automatically on or not, yes or no. And then you can also choose how does the lightbox close, either with the X icon or the close button. And then after you close it, or if you want to edit the lightbox, what you want to do is you want to go to your left side of your screen and then choose on pages and menu right here. And then on side pages and menu, you want to choose on lightboxes and choose any of the lightbox that you want to edit. And then after that, don't forget to click on publish so people will see the lightbox when they visit your website. For example, right here, when I refresh my website, there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.